to solve systems using the graphing calculator. So we're just going to use a graphing calculator. I'm going to kind of go through the steps with you. So to solve a linear system by graphing, so what we're going to do is actually turn on your calculator down here. You're going to press the y equals button, which is going to bring you to the screen. So our first equation here is negative x minus 2. So negative x minus 2. Go ahead, hit enter. We're going to type in 2/3. We're going to put that in parentheses as a division problem, x plus 3. Hit enter. What you can do then is you can go ahead and hit zoom, and 6, that's going to just give us a standard zoom. And by hitting that, it actually goes ahead and graphs it. If you don't want to hit it, then you can just go ahead and press graph right up here then. So what we can see on our graph is that we have our 2 points here, and they do clearly intersect each other. So in order for us to actually have the calculator calculate that, we go to second, and then the trace button. So we're actually using the calc feature here. We want to find the intersect, so I'm going to go ahead and press number 5. And it's going to ask me to select my 2 curves is what it calls it. So you'll notice the little cursor is flashing right on here. It also tells me that's my first equation. So I just go ahead and hit enter. It should switch over to the other equation for you, which is right here. It's listed there. Hit enter. And then it's going to ask you to guess. Go ahead and hit enter again. And it's going to tell you that the intersection happens at -3, 1. So that's our solution. If we go back, we can look at the second example that's in your notes here. So we have y equals x plus 6 and y equals negative x minus 1. So again, I'm just going to go back, hit clear, and then x plus 6. You would have had to clear for this row, so negative x minus 1. I'm going to go ahead and graph these two. You can see that my intersection happens over here, so I'm going to second calc, and then do number 5 for the intersection. First curve, switched over to second curve, and then go ahead and guess. The intersection is at -3.5, 2.5.